Today we're going to be making a closet out of paper. So let's get started.
Guys, you'll need is some paper and some glue. You could have Elmer's glue or another type of glue. All right, so the first step you're going to do is you are going to get one piece of your paper, choose a color, and then you're going to fold your paper in half. Don't fold it all the way. Like that. Make sure you crease it so it stays down. All right, then you're going to do the same thing for the other one. So, after you're done folding those two pieces in half, you're going to unfold it like that. You're going to unfold that like that. And you are going to make a box. Okay, so you'll get that. You're gonna put this your paper that you folded in half to a side, and then you're gonna start with the other color of paper. Okay. So for this one, you're going to also fold in half. Like that. This time you're gonna fold it in half all the way. Oops. Okay, there. Gonna fold it all the way. Then you're gonna unfold it like that. You're gonna get this end, the end of the paper, and then fold it on the line that you folded. I'll show you. So I folded it in half, and I'm gonna take this and fold it in half. But you don't take that and then undo it and then do the next step. You keep this folded, and then, sorry, my hair's in the way. Then you're going to put it on the end of the paper where you folded it, and then you're going to fold it again. Like that. You ready? Folded it? So we're going to fold it like that. Whoa. That. And then like that, okay? So what? And now we're gonna do that for the other one. All right, so after you're done folding both sides, like the first side, you are going to unfold the first layer. Wait, so you're gonna keep keep that thing folded. And then you're going to do a triangle. Make a triangle at the very end. I will show you just in a minute. Like that? Yeah. And then do it to the other side. So you do a triangle. I'm going to sit on it for a while. So you do a triangle. To the left. I mean, that's my right, but if you're left-handed, that's gonna be the left. That's for my left. You're gonna do that to your left, the left, and then you're gonna unfold it. Unfold these tabs, those tabs. Then you're gonna fold it the other way. What? On the same side. Okay, after you're done with that, you unfold these little tabs, and then you're going to fold it up like that. There. And then the same thing for the other side. It's like a bed. The same thing for the other side. Okay, now that you're done with that, you're going to fold it down. Here, let me see. Hold on, guys. Then fold it down. But then, better to just do it. Fold it down, and then you're gonna pull this side up, and then while you fold it down, and then do it for the other side. Come on. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, and the last supply you will need is scissors. Yeah. Okay. So we are going to do that. So lucky I have magic powers. Wow. Oh. And tape if you ripped it. All right, I'll be right back. Woo! So it should look like this when you're done with the first side. Then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side.
I'm making a bed.
Oh, it's cool.
It's a bed. I made a bed, but you can't see it right now because I'm not. Still not done. I just need one more. Yes! I did a bed!
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna do that for the other part. So this is the result. And it should look like this. It's okay if it's a square, because we're still gonna cut it.
Those were my scissors. No, I need my scissors backwards now.
Okay. Then, after you're done getting the box, you are going to cut the half of the box. So it's a square.
Need them. Right now I need them.
We're recording on that. We need to see if you're going to go. That's your scissors. Okay. Then, after we're done cutting them, after we're done cutting them, we're going to put them together like this. Like that. Okay. So we're gonna take two sides. I'm gonna tape it in those two places. Ta-da! And then we're gonna make 3 more. Hi, and you should have 4. Then, you know how I said in the very top of this video?
So you're gonna fold these, and then you're gonna put it on. You're gonna chew the side if you wanted to.
So, this is gonna be the closet part when it opens and closes. Okay, so we're going to get one of their boxes and we're gonna tape it or glue it like that. If it's construction paper and this Elmo's glue doesn't stick, that's normal. You could use tape. Because tape works. Okay, so it should be that long of a tape if it's construction paper. And then that big. Whoop. That big. And tape it in the front of the
Oh,
the
this is
basket.
where you're gonna tape it. That's where you're gonna tape it on the topper.
Okay? Should look like this when you get it up. Sorry. Like that. And then you're going to do that for the rest. All right, and there we have it. Our closet. Thank you so much for watching my video.